Greenland, a name that conjures up visions of vast, icy expanses and endless snow-covered terrain. Just the name evokes images of ice and snow, a frozen wilderness that stretches as far as the eye can see. This massive island, the largest in the world that's not a continent, is indeed famous for its frozen landscapes. With an area of over 2 million square kilometers, Greenland is a place where nature reigns supreme, and the ice sheet that covers most of the island is a testament to its raw, untamed beauty. But Greenland is much more than just ice. It's a land of dramatic contrasts, where the stark white of the glaciers meets the deep blue of the sea, creating a breathtakingly beautiful and unique landscape. It's a land of dramatic contrasts, where towering glaciers meet the sea, carving out fjords and creating icebergs that float majestically in the water. These glaciers are constantly moving, shaping the land and creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. And then, as night falls, the sky comes alive with vibrant colors. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, dance across the night sky in a mesmerizing display of greens, purples, and pinks. This natural light show is one of the most awe-inspiring sights on Earth, and a must-see for anyone visiting Greenland. But the wonders of Greenland don't stop there. The island is also home to ancient rock formations that tell the story of its geological history. These rocks, some of which are over 3 billion years old, whisper tales of a time long before humans walked the Earth. Join us as we journey to this extraordinary island and discover some of its most breathtaking scenic spots. From the rugged coastline to the serene inland areas, Greenland offers a wealth of natural beauty that is waiting to be explored. From the thundering icebergs of Ilulissat Ice Fjord, where massive chunks of ice break off from the glacier and crash into the sea, creating a spectacle of sound and motion, to the colorful houses of Tasiilaq, a small town on the east coast of Greenland. These brightly painted buildings stand out against the stark white of the snow, creating a vibrant and cheerful atmosphere in an otherwise harsh environment. Greenland's beauty will leave you speechless. Whether you're gazing at the towering icebergs, watching the northern lights, or exploring the ancient rock formations, there's something about this place that captures the imagination and leaves a lasting impression. Get ready to explore the best of Greenland. From its icy landscapes to its vibrant towns, this island has something for everyone. So pack your bags, bundle up, and join us on an adventure to one of the most unique and beautiful places on Earth. Our first stop is Ilulissat Isfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This stunning location is one of the most active glaciers in the world, producing around 35 cubic kilometers of ice each year. The sheer scale of this natural wonder is hard to comprehend until you see it with your own eyes. Imagine a place where giant icebergs, some taller than skyscrapers, drift silently through the water. These colossal ice formations are born from the Surmek-Kujalek Glacier, one of the fastest and most active glaciers in the world. As they break off or calve from the glacier, they embark on a slow journey through the fjord, eventually making their way to the open sea. The air is filled with a low rumble as these icy giants break free from the glacier and crash into the sea. This dramatic process, known as calving, is a powerful reminder of nature's raw force. The sound can be heard from miles away, echoing through the fjord and creating a sense of awe and respect for the natural world. This is Ilulissat, a place of raw natural power. The landscape here is both beautiful and intimidating, with towering icebergs and vast stretches of ice and snow. The fjord itself is a dynamic and ever-changing environment, shaped by the relentless movement of ice and water. You can take a boat tour to get up close to the icebergs, navigating through the maze of ice with experienced guides. These tours offer a unique perspective on the fjord, allowing you to see the icebergs from all angles and appreciate their immense size and beauty. The boat's proximity to the icebergs provides an exhilarating experience, as you can almost reach out and touch these frozen giants. Or hike along the coast for stunning views. The trails around Ilulissat offer breathtaking panoramas of the fjord and its icebergs. As you walk, you'll encounter a variety of landscapes, from rocky shores to lush tundra, each offering its own unique perspective on this incredible environment. The coastal hikes are a great way to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the area and experience the fjord at your own pace. Keep an eye out for wildlife. The fjord is home to a diverse array of animals, each adapted to the harsh Arctic environment. From the smallest seabirds to the largest marine mammals, the wildlife here is as impressive as the landscape itself. Seals bask on the ice floes, taking advantage of the relative safety and abundance of food. These agile swimmers are a common sight in the fjord, often seen lounging on the ice or swimming gracefully through the water. And whales often breach in the distance. These majestic creatures migrate through the fjord, feeding on the rich marine life that thrives in these cold waters. Seeing a whale breach is a truly unforgettable experience, a moment of pure wonder that connects you to the natural world in a profound way. Ilulissat Isfjord is a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're exploring by boat, hiking along the coast, or simply taking in the views, this remarkable place offers a deep connection to the natural world. The combination of stunning scenery, dynamic ice movements, and abundant wildlife makes Ilulissat Isfjord a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to experience the raw beauty of nature. Greenland is one of the best places in the world to see the northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis. Imagine a clear winter night. The sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of color. Green, pink, and purple lights dance and shimmer, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The best time to see the northern lights is during the winter months, from September to April. Find a dark spot away from city lights and be patient. The lights can appear suddenly and last for a few minutes or several hours. Seeing the northern lights is an experience you'll never forget. Disco Bay is a large bay located on Greenland's west coast. It's known for its abundance of marine life, especially whales. Imagine yourself on a boat, the sun on your face, as you scan the horizon. Suddenly, a giant humpback whale breaches the surface, its massive body glistening in the sunlight. You might see humpback whales, fin whales, minke whales, and even the elusive narwhal. Take a whale-watching tour from the town of Ilulissat and prepare to be amazed by these gentle giants of the sea. Disco Bay is a paradise for nature lovers. Section 5. Surmermiat Echoes of Ancient Hunters. Greenland has been inhabited for thousands of years by the Inuit people. At Surmermiat, you can step back in time and learn about their history and culture. Imagine walking among the ruins of ancient settlements, the wind whispering tales of hunters and their families. Surmermiat is located near the town of Ilulissat. You can visit the remains of Inuit houses, hunting grounds, and burial sites. It's a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the people who have called this harsh but beautiful land home for centuries. Section 6. Tasiilaq, Colorful Houses Amidst Towering Peaks. Let's travel to East Greenland and visit the colorful town of Tasiilaq. Imagine a town nestled between towering mountains and a sparkling fjord. The houses are painted in bright colors, creating a cheerful contrast to the rugged landscape. Tasiilaq is the largest town in East Greenland. It's a great base for exploring the surrounding area, including the Flower Valley and the Kong Oscar Fjord. You can go hiking, kayaking, or even dog sledding in the winter. Tasiilaq offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural charm. Section 7. The Southern Coast, Lush green fields and sparkling fjords. Most people think of ice and snow when they picture Greenland. But did you know that southern Greenland has lush green fields and sparkling fjords? This region is a hidden gem, often overshadowed by the icy reputation of the rest of the country. Imagine a landscape dotted with sheep farms, where waterfalls cascade down mountainsides into crystal-clear waters. These fields are not just green, they are vibrant and full of life, offering a stark contrast to the icy terrains that dominate the northern parts of Greenland. The southern coast is a great place to go hiking, fishing, and simply enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. The trails here are perfect for both novice and experienced hikers, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Fishing enthusiasts will find the waters teeming with fish, making it an ideal spot for a relaxing day out. Visit the town of Qaqortoq, known for its colorful houses and its beautiful harbor. This charming town is the cultural heart of southern Greenland, where you can immerse yourself in local traditions and history. The vibrant houses add a splash of color to the landscape, making it a picturesque destination. Or take a boat tour to explore the nearby fjords and islands. These tours offer a unique perspective of the coastline, allowing you to see the stunning fjords up close. The islands are home to diverse wildlife, and you might even spot seals and whales during your journey. Southern Greenland will surprise you with its unexpected beauty. The region is a testament to the diverse landscapes that Greenland has to offer, from lush fields to sparkling fjords. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display, waiting to be discovered by those who venture off the beaten path. Don't forget to try the local Greenlandic cuisine while you're here. Traditional dishes made from fresh, local ingredients offer a taste of the region's rich culinary heritage. From seafood to lamb, the flavors are as diverse as the landscape itself. And if you visit during the right season, you might even catch a glimpse of the northern lights dancing across the sky. The aurora borealis is a magical sight, adding another layer of wonder to your southern Greenland adventure. Whether you visit in the summer, when the fields are at their greenest, or in the winter, when the landscape is blanketed in snow, southern Greenland offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Each season brings its own charm, making it a year-round destination. Wildlife enthusiasts will also find plenty to marvel at. The region is home to a variety of birds and other wildlife, making it a great spot for birdwatching and nature photography. The diverse habitats support a rich array of species, each adding to the natural beauty of the area. Southern Greenland is also a hub for cultural events and traditional music. Throughout the year, you can experience local festivals, music performances, and other cultural activities that showcase the vibrant heritage of the Greenlandic people. For the more adventurous, there are plenty of activities to get your adrenaline pumping. From kayaking through the fjords to mountain biking along rugged trails, southern Greenland offers a range of outdoor adventures that cater to thrill seekers. But if relaxation is what you're after, there are plenty of spots to simply sit back and take in the scenic views. The tranquility of the southern coast is perfect for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. Don't forget to visit the local markets, where you can find unique Greenlandic crafts and souvenirs. These markets offer a glimpse into the local way of life and are a great place to pick up a memento of your trip. As the day comes to an end, watch the sunset over the fjords. The sky, painted in hues of orange and pink, reflecting off the water, is a sight that will stay with you long after you've left. Southern Greenland is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. From its lush green fields to its sparkling fjords, every moment spent here is a testament to the beauty and wonder of nature. Section 8. Exploring Greenland's interior, a vast polar desert. While most visitors stick to the coast, Greenland's interior offers a unique and challenging adventure. Imagine a vast white expanse stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the Greenland ice sheet, a massive glacier that covers most of the island. You can explore the ice sheet on a guided expedition, either on foot or by dog sled. It's a demanding but rewarding experience that will allow you to witness the raw power and beauty of nature at its most extreme. Just be sure to come prepared for the cold. Section 9, your next adventure, where should we go next? So there you have it, a glimpse into the breathtaking scenery of Greenland. From its towering glaciers and sparkling fjords to its colorful towns and ancient history, Greenland is a land of endless wonder and beauty. Now it's your turn. Where in the world should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Section 10. Stay connected and explore more. We hope you enjoyed this virtual journey to Greenland. Don't forget to like this post and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!